best essential oils for congestion. In this video, I'm going to be covering the top 5 oils for congestion. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm also going to be sharing some great recipes for congestion as well. Now let's jump into the video. So our first oil for congestion is peppermint. Now peppermint is really great at promoting healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. And with expectorant being one of its top properties, it makes peppermint a perfect oil to use for congestion. It's my personal favorite for this. Our next oil for congestion is lemon. One of lemon's top properties is mucolytic. So what this means is lemon helps to break down or lower the thick mucus. Now our third oil is eucalyptus. Like peppermint oil, eucalyptus is also an expectorant. So this makes it great to help clear out the mucus from our airways. Now I have 2 more to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I've done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I really encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the links in the description below. Okay, so our last 2 oils that I'm going to share with you today for congestion are actually blends of oils. The first one is a respiratory blend that has laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravensara, and ravensara essential oils. This blend is packed full of powerful oils for congestion. It is really incredible and powerful. And then our last oil blend might at first surprise you, but it's actually really good for congestion too. This is the Digestive Blend, and it is made up of peppermint, coriander, ginger, caraway, cardamom, fennel, and anise essential oils. So don't let that name fool you. It's great for digestion, but it also packs a powerful punch for congestion as well. Now I've linked up all of these oils and blends below this video, so if you'd like to check them out more, feel free to do so. Okay, so like I mentioned, I also have some incredible recipes to share with you now. But if you're someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop, where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now our first recipe is a congestion and cough relief balm. So for this one, we'll be using 5 drops of lavender, 8 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of thyme oil, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. And what we're going to be doing with these is we're going to be mixing them all in a glass jar, and then we're going to be rubbing it on our chest, putting it under our nose or on our feet, and then of course afterwards we'll put socks on. And our second recipe is a roller bottle recipe for congestion. For this one, we're going to be using 4 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of lemon, 10 drops of eucalyptus, and then we'll also need some fractionated coconut oil and of course a 10 milliliter glass roller bottle. Then we're going to be putting all of the essential oils in the roller bottle and filling the bottle the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil. Then we'll use this on the bottom of our feet and on our chest as well. Now, if you would like the free PDF of these recipes, as well as some other incredible recipes for coughs, colds, congestion, and more, then check out the link in the description below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about diffuser blends for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.